Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new poem. Poem's name is Grandma Climbs a Tree. This poem is a very important for your examination. So now we concentrate on that is the poem. This poem is written by well-known Indian novelist. Novelist name is Ruskin Bond. Who was Ruskin Bond? Now we are going to study about the Ruskin Bond. He was a well-known Indian novelist as well as he was a great poet. Now we are going to study about him as a poet. His birth date 19th May 1934 in a military hospital in Kasauli to his parents, that is the Edith Clark and Aubrey Bond. His contribution was very important to enrich English literature, and so here he was a well-known, he was a famous, popular in English literature. He wrote his first novel. Novel's name is The Room on the Roof. The Room on the Roof. Such a novel he has written at the age of 17 years old. At that time his age was 17 years old. He wrote such a novel, well-known novel in English literature. Novel's name is The Room on the Roof. He has written so many books. He has written so many poems. He has written so many stories. And then automatically our English literature became enriched. He has written more than 30 books for children. It's a very important. Means his work was a notable, or his work is a notable for the children. He has written 30 books for the children. He has written one autobiographical work, autobiographical book. What is the name of his autobiographical book? Book's name is Scenes from a Writer's Life. Scenes from a Writer's Life. Such a book, he has written everything, means life history about himself in the book. He got so many awards. He got so many awards like Sahitya Academy Award he got in 1992. Then he got another award, that is a Padma Shri Award in 1999, and the next award, prestigious award, that is Padma Bhushan Award. Such as the Padma Bhushan Award he got 2014. Now here his running age 86 years old. He is alive. He is alive. His age is 86 years old. It is a little bit introductions about Ruskin Bond. Little bit introduction. And now here we are going to learn about the poem. Poem's name is Grandma Climbs a Tree. This poem is a very simple poem to understand. Very simple poem. In this poem there are 6 stanzas. There are 6 stanzas. It shows Ruskin Bond's great ability to enjoy unusual events and actions. He always tries to depict about that the unusual events and actions. It is a speciality of a Ruskin Bond. Unusual event. Unusual event. 19 years, the old woman. 90 years, that is a old woman. She is climbing a tree. Such the events, that is unusual events. He tries always, he is trying to depict. And now here, when we are going to study such the poem, Grandma Climbs a Tree. In this poem, he depicts about that the unusual events and actions. Actions is a very important here. In this poem, the character is mentioned here. The character is grandma. Whose grandma is this? That is a poet's grandma. Ruskin Bond's grandma. Ruskin Bond's grandmother. Here in this poem, he tries to depict or describe about that the grandma's unusual habits. What was a grandma's unusual habit? That is she was she climbed to that the tree, or she was climbing to that the tree. It was an unusual habit. At the here, when he wrote this poem, at that time maybe grandma's age was, Ruskin Bond's grandmother or grandma's age was 62 years old. From her childhood, means when her age was 6 years old, from that the age or from the childhood, she had such a habit to climb to that the tree, high and spreading trees. And from that the 6 year to up to means 62 years old, she always climbed to that the tree. It was his habit. But here in her old age, at the age of 62 years old, it is not a good one. It is not good one, because she was old. She was old. It is sometimes it is impossible to that the grandma to climb to that the tree. Now she became weak. Maybe the problem will be arise. Suppose she would fall from that the tree, what will happen? Means it was a risk, danger for that the grandma. But she had a habit. She had a habit. She was fond of climbing a tree. It was a habit of the grandma. Such a description, such an unusual event or unusual action which is given by our Ruskin Bond in this poem. In this poem. This poem is known as a descriptive poem. Descriptive, the poem. And now we are going to study about a poem. And now here we concentrate on poem. Poem's name is Grandma Climbs a Tree, which is written by a well-known Indian novelist, a poet. Poet's name is Ruskin Bond. Now we concentrate on our poem. My grandmother was a genius. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb a tree, spreading or high. She would be up there, the branches in a thrice. And mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62 years old or 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. And though as the years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old, and that growing old should be gone about gracefully. She would laugh and say, I will grow disgracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree. For in all the garden there wasn't a tree she hadn't been up at one time or another. Having learned to climb from a loving brother when she was 6. But it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. The outcome was different while we were in a town. She climbed a tree and couldn't come down. After a rescue, the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, I strongly recommend a quite a week in a bed. We sighed with relief and tucked her up well. Poor Granny, for her it was like a brief season in hell, confined to her bedroom, while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. But she had held her peace till she felt stronger. Then she sat up and said, I will lie here no longer. And she called for my father. And told him undaunted that the house in a treetop was she what now wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said, that's all right. You will have what you want, dear. I will start work tonight. With my expert assistant, he soon finished the core, made her a tree house with the windows and door. So Granny moved up, and now every day I climb to her room with the glasses and a tray. She sits there in a state and drinks a sherry with me, upholding her right to reside in a tree. It is a long poem. It is a descriptive poem. This poem is written by our well-known poet. Poet's name is that Ruskin Bond.